Hello and welcome to Innovin Foods. I am Nahida. Got leftover ripe bananas lying around? Don't throw them away. Let's turn them into a soft, moist, and delicious banana cake. Easy, eggless, and made right on the stove top. Take 2 ripe bananas and add them to a blender. Add half cup sugar, 1/4 cup oil, half cup milk and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Blend until smooth and creamy. Overripe bananas are the best natural sweeteners in baking. Banana cake was once a smart way to prevent food waste during tough times. Now take 1 cup flour, 3 tablespoon custard powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Sieve and mix well. Mix gently until you have a smooth batter. The custard powder gives it a soft velvety crumb. Take a 7-inch cake mold, grease it with oil, and line the base with baking paper. Pour in the batter and spread evenly. Banana cake pairs perfectly with a cup of tea or coffee. Always mash or blend bananas well, no lumps. Don't skip sieving, it makes your cake lighter. Sprinkle some chocolate chips on top. Now place a pan with a wire stand. Preheat it on medium-low heat for 5 to 7 minutes. Place the cake mold inside, cover, and cook for 30 to 35 minutes on medium-low heat. And that's it, your leftover bananas are now a delicious banana cake. This recipe is egg-free and easy on the stomach. No preservative, no chemicals, all homemade. A great way to reduce food waste and enjoy a nutritious treat. Have you ever used ripe bananas in baking before? What's your favorite banana-based dessert? Comment your version of banana cake below. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Innovin Foods for more tasty no-oven ideas. So next time you see ripe bananas getting soft, don't waste them. Bake this simple and delicious banana cake instead. See you again with another easy recipe. Until then, happy cooking from Innovin.